We are Senco. 3 decades of innovation built our foundation. Now, we build the future. We are impaneled under the government of India's Jal Jeevan mission to provide clean drinking water nationwide. Certified ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 14001-2015. Because quality and sustainability aren't choices. They're guarantees. Here's how far we've come. 30,000 square feet of advanced manufacturing, and yes, we even make our own electrolyzers, and we are growing. Our leadership, Shri P. Senthilnathan, mechanical engineer, driving innovation and tapping into possibilities, backed by strong in-house R&D teams, some with us for 30 years. A powerhouse nationwide. Our reach from headquarters in Coimbatore to branches across Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, and Chhattisgarh. That's nationwide impact.
Our innovation. We hold a patent for silver ionization disinfection, 3 more on the way, because when the future of water is at stake, we invent it.
Our impact. 13,000 plus silver ionization plants. 2,000 plus electrochlorinators. 1,000 plus iron removal plants. Disinfecting 1,500 million liters every day. Clean water for 15 million people every single day.
Our product range. From silver ionization to copper-silver ionization. From electrochlorinators to scale harbor. From fluoride and iron removal to UF pot filters. And 5-stage purifiers. All products can be customized for household as well as for mega industrial plants.
Our vision: to provide clean, safe water across the globe through sustainable, affordable technologies, contributing to UNSDG 6, clean water for all. Flood zones, high altitudes, extreme climates. We deliver foolproof, reliable, holistic solutions for every drop that matters. We are Senco, purifying today, protecting tomorrow.